Hey everyone, so I thought it would be fun to do a little Whole Foods haul. I'm not gonna say little because it's kind of large, but I got a lot of fun stuff that I want to show you guys. I'm gonna put you down and show you everything I got. So the first thing is this Suja Elements Plus Probiotic Greens drink. I've never seen the Suja drinks with probiotics before, if it'll focus. But this looks really delicious. It's got a bunch of greens, probiotics, I said that, spirulina, chlorella, so strong ones too, so I'm excited to try this out. Next, in terms of drinks, I got the Suja Probiotic Apple Cider Vinegar drink in the flavor cucumber and ginger. I've tried these drinks before and loved them. So I got the cucumber ginger and then also a lemon cayenne. Both of these apple cider vinegar type drinks are really great for gut health, probiotics, same with this one. You guys can see kind of a trend. Next up, I thought I would try a new brand of kombucha. Also has probiotics, and this is the Gut Punch Strawberry Hibiscus Sparkling Probiotic Drink. So it's got 4 billion. Thought I would try out a new flavor, especially one that we don't have in Canada. And we don't get Suja either, so I really wanted to try to get things that I don't have at home so I can try them out. Next up is super exciting, and that is the Kite Cream Cheese Spread. It's an almond-based cream cheese. It's supposed to be really delicious. I'm gonna probably have these on those gluten-free crackers I love from Trader Joe's. You guys know I love them, so I'm excited to try this out. Also from Kite Hill, I found their Greek-style artisanal almond yogurt. I've tried their normal yogurt, and it's good. It's also almond-based, but it's a little bit more runny, so I'm hoping that because this is Greek-style, it's gonna be more thick, and in terms of protein, it has 11 grams of protein, so it's also high protein. Next up is some guac. Not Trader Joe's. Whole Foods has really great guac. Never go wrong there. On to like coffee type beverages. The first one is this Lucky Jack Nitro cold brew in the flavor, not flavor because it's not flavored, but it's just old school because that way it just has coffee in it and it's unsweetened. Also going to be trying the Khlifa Farms cold brew single origin in the Ethiopia, which again, it's just plain coffee. There's no sweetener, no sugar. That's how I like my cold brews generally. And I also got this, I've tried this one before and I loved it. It's really creamy. And this is the Nitro cold brew coffee with almond milk from Khlifa Farms. It's my favorite, like, one that's not just coffee, the one that has like a little bit of milk in it. This one's almond milk, so it's great and it's really smooth, so I highly recommend picking that up. They also have this at Target too, so you don't need to be at Whole Foods to find it. And of course, there wouldn't be a Whole Foods trip without a Rebel drink, and I got the Rebel Maca Mocha, which is the coffee-free one, but the maca in it, if you've seen my adaptogen video, which if you haven't yet, I will link that down below, is a great adaptogen for boosting your mood and balancing energy. And I always feel like when I'm on a bit of a vacation that I get a little bit more tired, so this will kind of just like balance me out without adding coffee, which is exciting. For something more fun, I did pick up the Eat Pastry vegan non-GMO cookie dough and gluten-free chocolate chip. So this is a really great just in terms of if you want to buy a cookie dough that's ready made, a brand that's really good, that's vegan, so you can technically eat it raw and gluten-free as well. Also got some Sayete chips, a couple bags. You guys know I love these chips, and it's just so funny to me how expensive like some of these brands are in Canada. For example, these chips are like $7.99 in Canada for one bag, and here they're $2.99, so funny. Have to stock up. Of course, I got more Purely Elizabeth granola, but they didn't have any of my grain-free that I love, but I decided to try this one out anyways. This was new for the almond lover, so it's maple and almond butter. Probably gonna try this with like the Kite Hill and let you guys know how I like it. And if it makes it to my favorites, it'll be on Instagram. So make sure you follow on Instagram if you wanna see how I like it. Black garlic. If you guys didn't know, black garlic is actually a really sweet tasting garlic. You can eat it kind of like a gummy candy because it's gummy on the inside. It's black, it's sweet, not overpowering, so I like it for its antioxidants and antifungal properties. You can kind of chew it like candy, kind of crazy like that, but that's what I do. Next, I saw this new type of bar. It's a cacao almond, or they're truffles, sorry. They're almond butter truffles. They're sprouted with plant-based protein, and I don't know, they looked really interesting, so I thought I would try them out. And the ingredients are really great. It's sprouted almonds, cacao nibs, cacao powder, date paste, and sea salt. So that sounds like it will be delicious. stocked up on some of my favorite paleo pancake mix. That's the one by Bob's Red Mill. I've tried Bob's Red Mill, Simple Mills, Glutino, Birch Benders, and Bob's Red Mill is by far my favorite for consistency in terms of paleo pancakes. Also got a couple of the Vital Proteins collagen little sticks just for travel that I can put in a few drinks while I'm here. Focus, there we go. And a Bulletproof lemon cookie bar. This is my favorite, like, healthiest bar, and the flavor as well, lemon cookie, but it's just really good high fats that will keep you full. It's not sugar, it's like 2 grams of sugar, which is really low. No grains, it's like mainly fats, which is great. Also exciting is I discovered a new kind of coffee brand, at the local coffee brand. What I like to do when I go to different places is I like to buy a local coffee from there and bring that home. So this is the Buddy Brew coffee, because it's so cute, it's a dog, and it's the Cubano Espresso. So really excited to bring that home, and hopefully it tastes yummy. And then I also got a decaf of the Buddy Brew as well, to have decaf. I told you guys this was a long one. I'm still getting more bags. So some lemons, you guys know, for my lemon water in the morning. Avocados. Like having these on those crisp breads as well. Then also got a Rise Chocolatey Almond Protein Bar. These ones are also really good. There's only a few ingredients. Almonds, honey, and carrots. So hopefully that's good. And my Go Macro, you guys know I love Go Macro, so just another Go Macro bar. These are really great because they're heartier and they're more filling than some other bars, so I like to have those on planes or traveling in the car for long periods of time. And if you can believe it, I think that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Whole Foods haul. If there's anything else you think I need to try from Whole Foods, let me know and I can try to get that before I leave. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.